No, as you can see in my background, uh, if I will remove my background, you can see outside my house. See this one? You see at my back is the window. So I have to change it into the real classroom. Okay. Yeah, more professional. Yes. So where's Hashim? So we can start our lessons very quick. Why? Anyways, let us start. Okay, and then later Hashim join the class. You can explain to him, Mehmet. So where is him? I have two students from here, and I will just share my screen about our lesson. Okay. So what can you see in my screen? Okay. Okay. So did you understand yesterday? Did you understand something yesterday about this lesson? Mm-hmm. Okay. So as a review, the four standard key of algorithms are sequential. Yeah, you're here. Thank you for coming, Hashim. And you are not yet late. Okay. So as I said, these are the four keys standard of algorithms. So the first one is sequential. The second one is binary search, bubble search, and selection search. So we finish where? In what algorithms? Okay. So from sequential, okay, from sequentials, how you understand how sequential search works. Okay. So you have the key. Okay, let's say if you want to find number 25 from your screen, okay, you can see the screen. 25 will what? Will start from 0. And then 25 compared to what? To the first item. Okay, the first number. So if 25 is equal, if 25 is equal to 3, if no, then the number 25 will go to the next item and then what? Compare again. Okay? Until what? Until it's done and it will stop. So that is how sequential search work. How about the binary search? Still understand about the binary search? Okay? It will what? How binary search work? Any idea? From both of you? So we can start our lessons. Yes, it will eliminate. Okay, so examples. You're looking for you're looking for the names Merlin. Okay, so it will go to what? It will go to the mid. Yeah, go to the midpoint, and then find which letter is near. Example. So letter M is what? So it goes what? Ah, that is the binary I said. So it will, okay, so it will eliminate, asa ba yung puti? Yeah, pwede yan. Try me. Okay, so eliminate until what? Okay, it will sort the array until what? Eliminate depending the result of the search is repeated in the remaining sub-array until it is successful. Okay, if the sorting is successful, then it will stop. The binary is what? It will search the middle first. So as you can see in your example, we're looking for what? Number 4. Okay? So number 4. So from here we have 1, 3, 4, 7, 9, 11, and 13. So the binary search will go to directly to the middle of these numbers. And then it will compare that number 4 to this number. So the middle number is number 7. Okay? So it will compare number 4 to number 7. Is number 4 is equals to number, that number is equal to number 4. So let's say number 7 is equal to number 4. So the computer will ask and answer yes or no, and then no. What's next? Go to your left and then search and go to the middle of that number. You understand? So from 7 goes to number 3 to your left. So this one, no need this one. You don't need these numbers. Okay? So because you move number 7 to your left, okay, this is your left, 1, 3, 4, and then they go to the middle. So number of this one is number 3. Now, the binary search will compare number 3 if number 3 is equals to number 4. If no, what happened? Or number 3 is greater than number 4? If no, then go to your right. Okay? And then here is only one left. So if that number is equal to 4. If the answer is yes, then that's the time the sorting will stop. Understand about the binary? Okay. So how about you, Hashim? You understand? How about the bubble sort? Who can explain it to me? Still remember the bubble sort? Hmm? Okay, so from examples, okay, this one is the example. So these are the numbers, okay. So numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 23, 17, 5, 90, 12, 44, 38, 84, and 77. So the first element of the first number is 0. It will compare to number 1, okay. Is this number greater than 17? Yes or no? If yes, then exchange or swap. Okay, so 23, so 17 becomes go here, and then 23. So that is how this is number 2. This is your number 1, past number 1. This is past number 2, past number 3, and past number 4. So number 3 is number 2. it will compare number 23. So we will finish this one. We will put number 23 into the proper place. Okay? So 23 compared to number 5. Yes, 23 is greater than 5. Then what happened? Swap. Okay? It's swap. So it goes to past number 3. So we have 17, 5. Now, we will compare again number 23 to the next number. Is number 23 greater than 90? Hmm? No. Okay? No, 90 is greater than 23. So, no need to swap or exchange. Okay? So, the number 23 will stay in that positions. And number 90 will the next to compare. Okay? So, 90 is greater than 12. Yes. And then swap. Okay? So, 12 next to number 23. So you have in past number 4 already. So make your changes here. Okay, so 90 and 44. Number 90 is greater than 44? Yes or no? Huh? Yes. If yes, what happened? Change. Okay, 44 and then 90. Until number 90 goes to the last element. Okay, so this is your past number 4. Past number 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have 8 pass or 8 steps to finish these numbers to sort using a bubble sort. So 5, 90 will compare 98, exchange, and then go to number 6. So 17, 5, 23, 12, 44, 38. Is 90 is in the proper place? Not yet. So 90 will compare to number 84. 90 is greater than? Yes. Swap. Okay? Proceed to number 7. 17, 5, 23, 12, 44, 38, 84, 90. Is number 90 is in the proper place? Not yet. So compare again to last number. Okay? So your last pass is your 90 is in the correct number. How about the rest of the numbers? They in are they in the correct positions? Yes or no? Hmm? No. So we still have what? We still have until 9 pass here. Okay? So 9 is we have to compare this 17 to 5. Is 17 greater than 5? Then we have another step. Yes, and then you have to swap that one. So we write, copy the rest number 23, 12, 44, 38, 84, 77, and 90. Guys, this is not yet the last what? This is not the correct uh, positions of their numbers. Okay, so we will finish this one. Okay, so we will use a notepad. Okay, we will use a notepad to finish to solve this problem using a bubble sort. Okay, so I will just copy this one. So I will delete everything here. So you have to wait, and we will finish this one until we place the correct numbers into their places. Okay, because this one is not yet finished. The bubble sorting is not yet done. So I will just copy the 17. Okay, so we have 17 and then 5 and then 23, 12, 44, 38, 84, 77, and 90. Okay, so let's try to use the whiteboard. Okay, so maybe I will stop sharing this one and let's see if we can use uh the marker. Okay, the whiteboard marker. Okay, so I don't know if I can paste that number here. So I forget. So okay, so wait. So I have here. So we have 17, 5, 23, 5, 23, and what's the next? 12, 44, 38, 84, 84, 77, 90. So 90 is on the proper place already. Okay, so no need to go there. So we are going to compare this. So this is your past 8. Okay, go proceed to past 9. Okay, so compare 17 and 5. So what do you think? Swap or stay? Swap. Okay, so what 5, 17. Okay, so 17 and 23. Swap or stay? Stay, right? Stay. So we will write. So we will next is 23 and 12. Swap or stay? Swap. So we have 12, 23, 44, 38. You just copy first. Okay, 84, 77, 90. Then go to your past number 10. Okay, so just copy the 5 and 17. So we will, 17 is greater than 12. Yes, so you need to swap. Okay, and then 17. 17 is greater than 23. No, stay. Okay, so stay 17. So 23 is greater than 44. No, stay. So 44 is greater than 38. Yes, swap. Okay, so and then now copy. Okay, so 38, 44, 84, 77, and 90. Not 91. 90. Ah, okay. Then go to number 11 plus 11. So we have to copy 5, 12, 17, 24, 38, 44. 87 is greater than 77. Yes or no? Huh? 84. 84 and 77. Change or swap? Change. Okay? So we will erase this one. 77 is correct. And then 90. And then 84. And then the last one is 90. Then number 12 is you just copy and that is your correct answer. So that is past number 12. So 5, 17, 24, 38, 44, 77, 84, 90. Okay? You understand the bubbles right now? Yes, okay? So let's go to the next explanations. And that is, what is the last one? The selection sort. Okay, so we will watch short video presentations, I hope. Okay, so let's see this one first. I will share again and then use my computer sound and then click this one and share and then play. Okay, I hope you can hear the sound. Okay, or I will just share the link. Okay, can you hear the sound? Okay, so you understand the selection sort, guys? Still here? You understand it? Oh, where is our lesson? Where is it? I close it. No, maybe it's here. I will just go back here, and it's here. Okay, so so that is selection search. So what is the difference of this in bubble search? Any idea? Is there any difference between bubble sort and selection? Yeah, there is. Okay, so maybe uh, are you bored? You're bored. Hmm? Okay, that's good. Because if you're not bored, then maybe I can ask you also to uh, video yourself explaining the selection and bubble sort. Is that okay? Hashim, okay? Just like this, the video that we watch explaining the selection, only the selection and bubble sort. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, everyone must move on. So as the examples, okay, in the video we have 42, 16, 84, 12, 77, 20. Oh, this is not in the video. Okay, so this is the new numbers. So the arrays before the selection sort operations begins. Okay, so on the first array is number 42 will compare to each array, okay, element. Okay, so how are you going to explain this one? Who wants to explain in selections tool? Mimet, can you explain this one? Okay, this one. Until, wait, we will divide it into two. Okay, okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1 to 4, 1 to 4 Mit, and then 3 to 7 Hashim. All right, Mit, you can explain all. Okay, okay. Let's listen to Mimit for your explanations about selection search as word. Okay, you can start. Huh? Explain it. Selection tool. Okay. So you have to compare 42 to yes. Go on. Okay. So in short, yes, you have to compare each element and find the minimum number. Okay. So when you start your sorting, your minimum number is 42. Okay. And then is 42 greater than 16? Yes. And that's the time it will change your minimum number into 16. Okay. So you will compare your minimum number into the next number. So is 16 is greater than 84? No. So move to other elements. Is 16 is greater than 12? Yes. So if that happen, what happen? It will what? Switch. Okay. Switch. So 16 is here already. Okay. Switch it to 12. Okay. Oh, where's the 42? Yes, which 42? Okay. Already here. And then what is our next minimum number? 16. And then we will compare to 16, 42, 84, and then what's next? Until it's reached what? Number 60, 26. And then what happened? It will switch 26 with 84. Okay, so we have 26 here. So we have 12, 16, 26. So this is the sorted list already. So no need to touch this one. Okay, never mind this number. You are only find the number into what? Unsorted list. So our next minimum is number 42. Okay, so that is number 42. Then we will, the computer will sort again. Okay, but as in this case, number 43 is not higher than 77, not greater than 84. So 53 is higher. So number 44 will stay. Okay, will stay in the positions, and then we move to 77. Okay, so that's why we will change 53 to 77. Okay, this one. So we have, this is the sorted list already. So we have only two left. So we will compare the two numbers. Okay, if this one is in the correct, no, this one. So 84 and 77. 84 is greater than 77. So we need to what? We need to switch, swap, or exchange. So we already done here. So we know the 77 is smaller than 88. Okay? So you understand these selections, bubble sorts, sequentials, and binary. So are you ready for our test about these four standard key of algorithms? Yeah, okay, that's good. It should be next week, don't worry, okay? So this is a finish with unit 4 4.2.1. Okay, so let's go to point 22. Okay, so we still have time, right? We have 8 minutes. Yes, 8 minutes. So we will just erase this one. So I will just introduce only about just introductions for next unit, and that is outline the standard operations of collections. So 4.21 is sorting. This time is the collections operation. Okay, so we will just discuss what is the meaning of collection. So you can read, please. Can you read now? Yeah, okay, read with me. 1, 2, 3, go. Program collection using Okay, so we will much understands the collections on the next lesson. So standard collection operations, we have to, we will use what? Add item is, that is the data. Add item is the collections. Reset next, start the beginning. Has next is means tells whether there is another item in the list. Get next code is retrieves a data item from the collections. Okay, when you add, of course, when you add the item, when you want to get that item, you will use the dot get next. Okay, get next is to retrieve or get the info of the item from your collection. That is empty is to check whether collection is empty. So we have reminders here. Be careful not to use methods not on the list like size or length. Okay? So do not use that size or that length. Only use what? Only use these methods. And what is that? Add item, receive next, has next, get next, and is empty. So this is the only methods that we are going to use in the collection methods. Okay? So here's the examples in your IB. Okay? So collection store as set elements. The elements may be of any type, numbers, objects, arrays, or strings. A collection provides a mechanism to illustrate through all of the elements that is contained. So as you can see on your screen, we have element. Okay, so we use what? We use while stop that has next. So we use has next, and then get next to get the item in your collections. Okay, so we will discuss this one next week. We will just only introduction for now, and we have a collection for pseudocode. So in this task, this is the program inputs names of students who are leaving school early. Okay, so if you, for example, to visit the doctor, the names are collected in the collection list. When a student returns, tying the same name again removes the name from the list. At the end of the day, the secretary types quit to end the program and see a list of students who left but did not return. Okay, so this is the explanations of this collection. So name is equals new collection name. So we are going to use the loop while. Okay, so this is the simple program for this task. Okay, this is the pseudocode for this task, and uh, I will get some pseudo examples in past paper exam. Okay, so we can use that one into our examples in this lesson. So next week we will start this lesson in collections and introduce your pseudocode. Okay, so I will dismiss you early 5 minutes because we don't have a break time. Okay, so I will use my break time until 5 minutes before time. So we need to finish a lesson for your break. Okay, so I will just check your attendance, and and thank you for joining my lesson today, and see you on Monday. Hashim, don't be late. Okay, and we have chat here who chatted. Yay! Okay, thank you for coming, and see you on Monday when you see me. Okay? Thank you guys. You can leave the room and have a nice weekend. Not sure. You still have lesson. Okay? Next week. What is that? A joke? Is that a joke? Okay. See you guys. Bye.
One. It's only you, Daddy. Of viewers now. Stop to stay. stay here.
Hello, Ate Jocelyn. Welcome for coming. Ayan po. Kumusta po, Ate Jocelyn? Kamusta ang buhay ng tapos na ang paghihirap at naghihintay na lang ng mga milyong-milyong palakpak? Milyong-milyong palakpak para kay Ate Jocelyn.
Okay? Viewers.
Jocelyn, pakinig niyo po ba ako?
Oo.
Hello, Ate Jocelyn.
So this is the simple program for this task, okay? This is the pseudocode for this.
Palakpak. 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 Yeah. Okay. Rhino flyers. Who is the fastest rhino racecraft flyer? Okay, yeah, do you want to see my car? I built it. I built it.
Okay, and see you on Monday, Hashim. Don't be late. Okay? And we have chat here, chat here. Yay! Okay, thank you for coming and see you on Monday. When you see
Thank you, Mark Ablay. Thank you for your
guys,
thumbs
you
up.
can leave at the room.
Okay?
Have a nice we still have lesson. Okay?
Yes, yes.
Next week.
Hello, Mark Abla. You're late in our class for today. Okay? Okay guys, thank you for coming and please dikit-dikit lang dyan kay Mark. Kung hindi pa kayo kadikit ni Sir Mark, ay dikitan nyo na po siya.
Okay, what's the password?
Yan po. Si Ate Jocelyn, Sir Mark. Kung hindi nyo pa kadikit, dikitan nyo lang. So ilalapag ko na lang yung link ni Ate Jocelyn here. So para dikitan nyo na. So may bagong video ba sa Ate Jocelyn dito? Dapat may pinaka-max. So pipili po ako ng pinamakaiksi na link para kay Ate Jocelyn. Para siya po ay ating puntahan at pa-flex natin. Ito guys, less than 2 minutes. Guys, less than 2 minutes. Ate Jocelyn's link, please. Sir Mark, are you still here, Sir Mark Ablay? If you're still here, just click the link of Ate Jocelyn. and watch, like, comments, and subscribe. And kapag hindi pa po kayo kadikit ni Clever Science, ayan po. Yan, link of Clever Science is here. Guys, pakidikita na lang po si Clever Science. Hello, 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 hello tayo dyan. Pa-share na lang ng link para dumamit tayo. Hello, Ate Jocelyn. Ayan na po. Dikitan po natin si Sir Mark Ablay. Sa hindi pa nakakadikit dyan. Ayan po, dikitan po natin siya. Nakaka 45 minutes lang pala ako doon sa lesson ko na yun. Guys, pakinood lang po nung bago kong video. Guys, may in-upload ako. Ka-upload lang ng bago kong video. Ka-upload ko lang this morning. Yan po, may bagong video na naman ako. Sana mapanood ng ibang teachers na nangangailangan. Tayo po ay gagawa na ng mga tutorials about sa online learning. So, welcome to Jocelyn. Ayan, mukhang wala tayong mga friends dyan. Baka sumabay tayo. As we support my new videos entitled Classroom Class Settings. Nice. Share na lang at pa. Oh, hello, hello. Wala ba tayong mga kaibigan? Kamusta ka? Oh, game.
O, game na!
Let's game.
Are you gay? I want to watch it. I asked you to watch it. Let's make it watch.
Yun yung sound.
Watch.
Bakit?
Robby K, asan yung head mo na white? Robby K.
You're not allowed to watch. You will watch. This one. I found the battery.
B-boy, don't shout.
What's inside that?
It's not that one then.
What's inside that?
Like the keys, right? Keys. Where you found the other battery?
Game. Na may meeting pa kami alauna, oh. Isang game.
Buwan, maliwanag ang buwan. Pagbilang kong tatlo, nakatago na kayo.
Set up mo.
Isa, walang pansin si Mami. Diba?
Yeah.
Okay.
Live.
Paano ka naka-live?
Diba? Nakay. Mango, what is name?
Paano yung nakalagay hindi man yan dito?
Table.
Nagluloko mo
Late
ako.
nga kasi. Oh, bagong upload na naman. Oh.
Sa'yo?
Diba, pag sa table, please.
What?
na may salini.
Put it on the table.
Start to do with that. Pepe mo. Ay, bale. Ay, ka na, bale.
Yung maingay.
You wanna watch or you wanna watch? Killer whale. Killer whale.
Killer whale again?
Yup.
Dad!
Oh, game.
Game na!
Let's game.
Are you gay?
I wanna watch it. I asked you to watch it. Let's make it and watch. Watch.
Yun yung sound.
Watch.
Robby K, asan yung head mo na white? Robby K.
You're not allowed to watch. You will watch. No, which one? I found the battery.
B-boy, don't shout.
It's not that one then.
What's inside that?
It's baby girl. Like the keys, right? Keys. Fashion show board. Where you found the other battery, baby girl?
Game. Na may meeting pa kami alauna, oh. Isang game.
Buwan, maliwanag ang buwan. Pagbilang kong tatlo, nakatago na kayo.
Set up mo.
Isa, walang pansin si Mami. Diba?
Yeah.
Okay.
Live.
Paano ka naka-live?
Diba? Nakay. Mango, what is name?
Paano yung nakalagay hindi man yan dito?
Table.
Nagluloko mo
Late
ako.
nga kasi. Oh, bagong upload na naman.
Sa'yo?
Diba, pag sa table, please.
What?
na may salini.
Put it on the table.
Start to do with that.
Robby K. Huli mo Scrabble. Heart, Scrabble.
Pepe mo.
Guys, lalabaan ng konti ng mga ito ng Scrabble. Natin kung mananalo sila sa akin ngayon.
Ay, ka na, bale. If you have nightmares, don't watch.
Maingay.
You have no nightmare? What? You wanna watch or you wanna watch? I have nightmares. Killer Hello, Will.
Okay. Bagal nyo naman.
Tara, class tayo.
Ayos aircon Aircon talaga? Anong pagkain yan, Mami?
Hangin.
Ito na?
Ay, luluto ko pa lang.
Yan, nagugutom na ako. Huwag kang pahangin baka mahanginan ng utak ko.
Ma, game na daw.
Ay, maraming salamat sa 5 million viewers. Napatugtukan tayo ng music. Mamaya sa yung charger ng pan mo. Ito nga yung pan na yan. Gagamitin ko yan.
Oh, Rafi J! Hey! 3 minutes na lang. Ito, Rocky.
Hindi sumayaw
May watcher pa ako. Nahihilig na ako sa gutom.
Hindi pa nagugutungan.
Sakit pa na lang ng hindi kaya. Start! Bilis! Yung mother! Ano kayo sa akin? Score. I need pen! Madali na.
Ma! With that, na? Oh, bad. Bad.
Uy, akin na. Mommy!
Thank you so much. Ayun, pangit. Pero ma-appeal. Parehas tayong pangit pero ma-appeal.
Fingers na lang kay one night kutsara dito sa lamisa. Makuha
sa mga dumalaw at tumaas dito sa ating bilan. Good morning dyan sa mga pangit. Morning dyan pa sa mga pangit pero maapis. Boy, can you get my phone and charger, please? Oh, hi, Dubai. Binalikan ka
DJ Rocksteady. DJ John Max.
Monkey bounce, tayo. Monkey bounce, down, 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 down,
Thank you.
Magdamag at magbudots-budots. Kaupo ng Mega Professional Audio. Monkey bounce, down, 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 down,
Wow.
DJ John Max. Let's do the Hokage moves.
DJ Rocksteady.
DJ John Max. Monkey bounce, tayo.
Magdamag at magbudots-budots. Kaupo ng Mega Professional
Haruka.
DJ Rocksteady.
Ganda.
Magdamag at magbudots-budots. Kaupo ng Mega Professional Audio. DJ Rocksteady.
DJ John Max.
Magdamag at magbudots-budots. Kaupo ng Mega Professional Audio.
Bilang. Wa.
DJ Rocksteady.
DJ John Max.
Magdamag at magbudots-budots. Kaupo ng Mega Professional Audio. DJ Rocksteady.
DJ John Max.
DJ Rocksteady.
Kalma dong. DJ Janex. Kalma dong. 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 DJ Janex. Kalma dong. Kalma dong. DJ Janex. Kalma dong. Kalma dong. Kalma dong.